Hello and welcome to my, sorry the screen's and welcome to my aesthetics number 1. This was my final creation. Initially I wanted to do a more elaborate design, but as I started it I realized that I was not good at Illustrator at all. And using the only shapes and Pathfinder and such was actually proved to be quite difficult. I did not use the pen tool on anything at all. No pen tool, no nothing. So what I usually did was, I went to, I used the rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star tool, line segment, and then I also used the spiral tool for this part on the pumpkin here. And overall, what I would do was I'd go to Windows. The tools I used the most were swatches, and I'd go in and I'd mess with the swatch and the colors, and I had a specific palette that I wanted to do, which is black, orange, a green, so that's what I did. I also messed with the stroke a lot too, so when I wanted things to be thicker, when I needed a line segment to be a different shape, which is what I utilized on the broom tool to make it look like the bristles. I also use Pathfinder quite a bit. So I would make shapes one whole object by using the Unite tool. I also used it was the minus back. I used the minus back to put triangles through here, and then once I was done, I kind of manipulated it with the direct selection tool. So that's what I did. The only thing that wasn't made out of shapes here was the B. The two O's were made out of shapes, but the B was made actually out of text. So that's how I because I did try to do the B with the pen tool, but it just didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, and that would have been the only thing I would have used with the pen tool, but I guess fortunately it didn't work out, because then I can say I did the whole thing without it. So, but I was really poor at this. I wasn't very good. But my next aesthetics project is looking really cool, so I'm really excited about that. So this is my Halloween. Oh, also, I used group and expand quite a bit. I'm seeing if there's anything else I used. No, it was to group things together and make sure that they were staying together as that does. And I noticed that sometimes when you put a shape down, you put another shape in front of it, it loses its color. So you need to go over to your layers and move up where it is in front of the other shape that's covering it. So I learned a lot during this, and it was actually a lot of fun, and I've learned a lot during this big struggle. And I apologize that this recording came out so late. My game bar wasn't working, and I'm still not sure it's working. It's recording right now, but literally a second before this it said there was a recording error, so we shall see. Anyway, I know that was pretty broad. That's because I did the same thing for all of them. Made shapes, and then I put it together using Unite, and then I made shapes to put over it. It was the same deal for everything. So I hope to see you in class. Thank you.